Hi there, welcome to the channel. My name is Maria. Today I'm going to make a chicken satay with peanut sauce. Today I'm going to make a chicken satay with peanut sauce. So easy to make. Literally 15 minutes in the kitchen, you're ready to go in for your barbecue, grill it, and you've got yourself a delicious appetizer or just a dish on its own. Serve it with a side salad, and there you have it. Nutritious, delicious, and oh so easy. So let's get in that kitchen and let's get busy. In the kitchen now, ready with all our ingredients for this delicious chicken satay with peanut sauce. These are the ingredients. We'll need some chicken breast. You can use chicken thighs as well. I'm using chicken breast in this case. You need some curry powder, some salt, sugar, red curry paste, some coconut milk, lime, parsley, peanuts, peanut butter, some soy sauce, apple cider vinegar, some water. We need some bamboo sticks for the, if you have metal ones, that's fine. I'm soaking mine in the water for, well, they've been soaking now for about an hour and a half. And the reason for that is because I'm going to be putting my skewers, chicken skewers on the barbecue. If you don't use the barbecue and use your cooktop, you don't need to use the wooden, you don't need to wet your wooden skewers. And that's all that goes into this dish. We're going to start off with the marinade, combining the chicken breast with the coconut milk and some seasonings. I'll show you how to do that. Very easy to make, not 15 minutes, and you're ready for the barbecue. Provided you've got all your ingredients laid out, this shouldn't take you more than 15 minutes. All right, so I've gone ahead and I've got my ingredients for the marinade. The marinade consists of 1 tablespoon of curry powder. Then you've got 1 teaspoon of white sugar, 1 teaspoon of the salt. I need 2 tablespoons of the red curry paste, which I'm going to do right now, and a quarter cup of the coconut milk. So I'm going to add all that together and stir it up, and that'll be our marinade for our chicken. And we're going to put it away, set it aside for 15 minutes. That's all you need. Two teaspoons of the red curry paste. I love this stuff. 1, 2. Okay, I probably should have used the bowl, but that's no problem. Stir all that together. Get my chicken ready. So I've got 1.5 chicken breasts. You can use chicken thighs if you'd like. Yeah, I should have done a bowl. I think I'm going to transfer it into a bowl. Alrighty. Get the chicken ready. Now at this point, I haven't sliced my chicken. I'm going to do that momentarily. The whole idea is to get about 1 inch strip wide and probably 1/4 of an inch thick. So let's see. There really isn't much to this dish. It's so easy to make. All right. It was a little thicker than I want it to be. Not too thin. or else you'll just dry it out. I'm not sure if you can see that. That should do it. Throw that in the marinade. Continue with the last chicken breast here. It's just Alan and I, so we don't need more than this. I'm gonna cut that in half, and then, you know what? I'm gonna leave that whole. It's going to go on the skewer anyway. Okay, that's good. Let's get rid of this. So we've got our chicken. It's gonna marinate for about 15 minutes, or longer if you want. But for me, I've always said this is a 15-minute prep, and then you just barbecue it. Serve it with a side salad or on its own. Okay, so that part's done. Now we're ready to go ahead and make our peanut sauce for the Thai chicken. So in this, we're going to put 2 tablespoons of red curry paste. And for, let's see here, that's 1, so 2 tablespoons. 1, 2. 3/4 cup of peanut butter. So I've got 2 peanut butters here. One that I've already got almost finished, and then a brand new container, which I have to open up. This one brand's a lot creamier. So that's 3/4 cup of peanut butter, smooth peanut butter. You can adjust as much as you'd like, but my recipe calls for 3/4 cup. I really love this peanut sauce. It's so yummy. Unfortunately, I don't have a substitute for peanuts. If you're allergic to peanuts, unfortunately, you won't be able to have this sauce with your chicken. And I don't know any other nut to substitute. I've never tried anything else other than peanuts. Okay. So let me grab another. So some oil at the top. There we go. A little on the messy side. That's good. I use 1/4 cup of sugar. Got this here. Just enough. And you can adjust it if you had to. So 1/4 cup of sugar, 2 teaspoons of soy sauce, two tablespoons of cider vinegar, apple cider vinegar. I like that one better than just the regular cider. So that's 2 tablespoons. 1, 2. 3/4 cup of water. Perfect. I'm going to take my whisk and I'm just going to whisk this up. And I'm going to test, and see if I need anything else. Okay. Now for our topping, like our garnishes, we're going to have the lime wedges, the parsley or cilantro, whatever it is that you have, and some chopped up peanuts. So I'm just going to keep whisking this until we get a smooth consistency. Might make mine a little thicker by adding some more peanut butter, but it's totally up to you. It's pretty thick. Now, if you don't want to make it spicy, I know, that's so nice. You don't have to add the 2 tablespoons of the red curry, or two teaspoons of the red curry paste. You can cut back on that. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a little bit more peanut butter because it's a little too spicy. And I know Alan will not enjoy that. And maybe just a tad bit more of the other teaspoon of the apple cider vinegar. Now, if you don't like spice at all, just avoid the red curry paste for the actual dip. But for the marinade, it's fine, because by the time it cooks and you add the sauce, you won't even know that it's spicy. And that's it. That's all there is to it. My skewer's ready, and we're going to get our chicken skewered onto that and go down to our barbecue and grill them. And there's our chicken all done. So I've gone ahead and placed our delicious peanut sauce into this jar, or this glass bowl, and I'm going to refrigerate it until we're ready for it. Now we're ready to do the chicken on the skewers, and that's easy enough to do. So these have been soaking for, oh geez, close to 2 hours. Again, if you don't have the wooden ones and you want to use your metal ones, that's fine. You don't have to wait. You just 15-minute marinade and away you go. So the way I do mine is I take the skewer, take a piece of chicken, and I feed it through just like you'd see at a Thai restaurant. Same way they do it. It's very simple. I mean, that's too big. I like to get a couple pieces on each skewer. That's it. Okay? The next one. Doesn't take long to cook on the barbecue. I've got Alan preheating our barbecue, so when I get down there, it's ready to go. If you don't have a barbecue, you can do it on a grill, indoor grill. Just be careful with the amount of smoke. Sometimes you might want to just have good ventilation. I've done these indoors as well. The nice thing about the barbecue, it gives it that charred flavor, that flavor that we're aiming for when we barbecue any type of food. And a complete skewering chicken, and I'll show you once we're ready to go. I've gone ahead and cooked or chopped up my peanuts. They're all ready to go for the topping. These pieces a little smaller, they're too big. All right, we got the barbecue on, reading 200 degrees. So let's get this going. Simply going to place our chicken onto the grill. It won't take long. And there you have it. I'm gonna get my tinfoil ready. All right, we've gone ahead and placed our skewers onto the hot barbecue. We've got it at 200 degrees. I believe that's 200 degrees Celsius. I think. Alan had it preheated for me. And we're just gonna cook it. Give it a few minutes on that both sides, and then I've got some tinfoil here which I'll cut a good sized piece, and once the chicken is ready, I'll just put the skewers into the tinfoil, wrap it up, keep it warm, and I'll bring it up to the kitchen and get ready for plating. All ready. I'm gonna bring them up and start plating them. They're so looking delicious. So we've got our, a chicken satay with peanut sauce. It's the toppings are parsley, lime, wedges, obviously our peanut sauce, and peanuts, crushed peanuts. So that's our snack slash, well, it's not our dinner, but it could easily be our dinner, and we have some leftover pizza. So we're gonna finish that too. So it's like a afternoon snack, a big one that is. So let's dig in. You don't really need your knife and fork for this. You can just grab the skewers if you want and just eat it from there. Yeah, it's my favorite. I did my best not to overcook the chicken, but you might find the ends might be a little dried out a bit. What do you think?
Perfect.
You're gonna make me choke. So you want to use your fingers or you want to use the knife and fork? Isn't that nice? Sorry, I needed a drink.
Please subscribe, click the notification bell, leave a comment, share this video with your friends. Thank you very much. Enjoy.
Bon appetit!